The SADC Summit, the Southern African Development Community SADC bloc, is one of the continent's zone of political and comprehensive regional stability, which helps ensure the member states enjoy dividends of cooperation. Sabina mashoko ataugo ane herald vataura the role of SADC and the SADC Summit ndoti bo subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Ndanyora vachiti, except for a few instances like Mozambique, Cabo Delgado province and the eastern part of Democratic Republic of Congo DRC, where instability has been sponsored by the foreign interest keen on using the divide and conquer principle, the SADC region has been the center of stability. Peace, security, and regional stability are priorities of the bloc, which explains the organization's contemporary security policy choices and the existence and the character of SADC's strategic culture. The SADC Mutual Defense Pact and the Strategic Indicative Plan for the Organ on Politics, Defense and Security Cooperation inform the bloc's predisposition towards the use or threat of use of forces in response to external and internal threats. Elements that therefore craft and cushion the region's stability are punctuated by others that call for responses to the region's history and ideology, geography, norms, solidarity, and resources. It is SADC's resolution that governments be replaced constitutionally. The defense of this norm has footprints in Lesotho. Skandoma shikarubudiso panapa aiwa ne the herald vatara the role of SADC vachiti aiwa SADC inokwanisa kuunita my member states constitutionally, aiwa SADC inokwanisa kustabilize nyika, aiwa vakabva vamenchena aiwa a few our cases SADC paisina kuteka responsibility especially with the DRC. Sachipotudza mafungiro enyu vanokudii pamusoro pemashoko awa. Pinai comment section medu, so no subscribe, like, and turn on the bell icon.